Wait, we gotta start finding natural backgrounds. Hey, look, man, we're on a hunt today. Now, I know I've been saying Droid POV is leaving. Yeah, we done dropped the most Droid POV we done. But boom, some came up. Somebody hit me up. They was like, Corey, we got you a free PS5. Shit, basically, for the price. So, boom, we about to go pick that up. Go to Target, get it set up. And I think we're going back to the gaming world. If you're not already, go subscribe to Corey Gaming. You feel what I'm saying? We're about to be teleporting to the gaming world. 2K25 need me. They just sent me over a contract to come save them. I said, that's a bit. So we're about to hop on the gaming channel. Live stream is going to be on this channel, but most like, hey, we don't know. We don't know. I ain't going to mislead y'all. Alright, y'all. Right now we outside. I just went in. The line was long, but then I had to come back out to really think about the deal. Like, alright, you getting it cheaper, but at the same time, we're doing it for 2K, so we gotta buy 2K. But would it be cheaper than the bundle that Target got? So boom, had to get my calculator. Boom, 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 boom. Right now we under $50, but that's if the PS5 come with a controller. And then plus all them people in there, I can't let them see me come out with a PS5. So we about to go run some errands. Plus, we need that. And we need to hit that clock. So I'm gonna go on and get y'all a cool 10, 20 minutes. So about to put the Droid in rotation. I was gonna put the P5 in motion, but line too long right now. We're gonna be back. And then they got a lot of them in there, so it's like, y'all ain't about to run out there and dude in front of me in that long ass line was about to sell another one. You know what I'm saying? But right now, if a controller don't come with it, we're going to Target. If a controller come with it, we up $50 in the setup. You feel what I'm saying? So what's the route? Right now is car wash and back. Car wash, oil change, back. Make sure you're getting your priorities done. Alright, boom, y'all, we picked up the setup. It did come with the controller, talked over some numbers, and it made sense, so we did it. And then I was thinking, wait, why Target got a discount on a PS5? Hold on. I had to sit back and think, why would Target put a discount on a PS5? Target be taxing, 2K be taxing. Why would they do this? I'm thinking I'm gonna get a deal by paying this for the PS5 and the game, but in reality, it was already a planned discount coming up. I go look at how much 2K is right now. It's under $50 on the Play Store, all the way to the 24th. You feel me? So we about to go hit that deal. So we should be getting 2K and the PS5 a little under. Yeah, you feel me? But we still about to go to Target though, cause I fuck with Target, but it's like, damn, Target, you really just tried to, yeah, true. Go to Target, finish the setup. Plus, I gotta get a kit, and then, to the gaming world we go. You feel me? Take back over my part, but I might play a lot of my team this year. I ain't gonna lie, man. And then you able to buy MT. I can really get that dream team this time. You feel me? We're gonna see. I had to get y'all some luxury content real quick. Why Maybach just riding through here, bro? Hey, y'all know how Droid B is losing his power. Right now, we had switched to Walmart. When I was in Target, I just kept having flashbacks of them trying to scam me. I was about to tweak out in that bitch, so we had to go somewhere. So I'm about to grab my kid out of here, go home, download the game, and yeah, we're gonna see what that town looking like. Might have to throw in them up, man. You know how it be, bro. Alright, y'all, we back at the tech plug. I left Walmart because they was taxing on the headphones. So I'm about to hit GameStop, see if I can find some. If I can't, we're just gonna be talking about the controller. I refuse to get scammed, man. Anyway, about to run here to the tech plug, get me another controller. Gotta have 2 controllers and then headphones. Then setup will be complete. And we return back to the gaming world. Alright, y'all, we did get the package. You feel me? Nah, I gotta go GameStop. I'm gonna see if they got like little silicones, you know, like to like controller covers. Cause you know, I ain't gonna talk down like controller, but you know, you ain't man. You feel me? I'm gonna get you right, bro. I ain't even test controller to see if it worked. You feel what I'm saying? So, but I got 24 hours, and then. You know when you get a deal so good, you trying to rush out so they don't regret giving you that good of a deal. You like, for real? It's 2 controllers. All we need now is the headphones, and then man, it's over with, bro. Damn, it's bright, this bitch. Trying to make it through safely real quick. Hold on. Alright. So it was long line in GameStop. And I was scrolling through my phone and I seen Target had some Turtle Beaches for the low. I was like, hold on. Boom, ordered it online. And now I'm waiting on them to say, come pick it up. But in the meantime, I'm about to go to Dollar Tree, finish our list. And then off the grid I go. Bro, you got a Ollie's. Hold on, let me show y'all they set up. If Droid will lock in, God, just stop. See, I be wanting to keep you on the team, bro, but you just can't keep up, bro. It's cool though, it's cool. But look, you guys, no mind Planet Fitness, a Dollar Tree. Hold on, it ain't over. Hold on. And let the pedestrians go. I'm gonna let Droid regroup real quick. Nah, like Android, stop glitching. Oh, alright, y'all. You see 2 controllers. Nobody had the silicone case. So I guess I gotta get on Amazon and see look, already dropping. Alright, this the lineup right now. We got Fortnite, 2K25, Apex, and Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Wait, why am I all on queue? Why not on downloading? What the? Oh, they download one at a time. See, it's gonna take forever. Yeah, back in rest mode they go. I'll be on probably at 1. The final piece of the puzzle was collected. Hopefully this video 10 minutes, man. Catch me on the gaming channel. That's gonna be it. If it's 10 minutes.